My name is Jennifer Orwa. I am the Deputy Director of Resource Development and Knowledge Management at the Kenya Medical Research Institute and the Director of Cochrane Kenya. Kenya Medical Research Institute is happy to host Cochrane Kenya within its Knowledge Management Unit, acknowledging its prowess in advancing evidence-informed decision-making in healthcare. EIDM involves research evidence to make policy and programming decisions, and healthcare decisions should be informed by relevant, reliable, up-to-date evidence. However, this is not often the case, and it's not the standard practice because the process of translating research findings to policy and practice is complex and frequently neglected by both researchers and policymakers as well as the practitioners. In Kenya and East African region, KEMRI is strategically positioned to strengthen the capacity for evidence-based healthcare policy and practice. The Kenya Medical Research Institute is a state corporation established through the Science and Technology Amendment Act of 1979 as the national body responsible for carrying out health research in Kenya. It is important to note that one of the mandates of KEMRI is to disseminate and translate research findings for evidence-based policy formulation and implementation. So why is KEMRI best placed to host Cochrane Kenya? KEMRI has a long history of excellence in health research and is the national body responsible for conducting research in human health in Kenya. It is therefore best positioned to host a Cochrane affiliate for research synthesis and translational science in matters relating to health sciences. Specifically, KEMRI, with a national mandate to conduct research for health, is well placed to take the lead in promoting evidence-based informed health policy and practice in Kenya and the East African region. The Cochrane Kenya affiliate unit is hosted by KEMRI within its Knowledge Management Department, and this department was established by KEMRI with a view of being overall responsible for developing standard structures for identifying, capturing, synthesizing through systematic reviews, packaging, dissemination, and application of knowledge that is aimed at improving the use of research evidence to inform policy and practice. And therefore, the hosting of Cochrane Kenya is very timely. The KM office can be proud of having already sensitized the KEMRI fraternity on matters knowledge management and knowledge translation, starting with the top management and going down to the scientists. We continue our training on systematic reviews and mentorship, going right into the counties as well, ensuring that the county health management teams are aware of the use of evidence to inform policy. We also have systematic review and policy brief publications and dissemination for evidence-informed decision-making on health, particularly during this COVID-19. A lot of control measures were required. And now we are happy to have Cochrane Kenya established in KEMRI. Going forward, Cochrane Kenya plans to enhance the systematic review trainings and mentorship to help develop capacity in systematic reviews and meta-analysis for evidence synthesis in health. Knowing that Cochrane Collaboration is a global network that gathers and summarizes the best evidence for research to help informed choices about treatment, Through the Cochrane collaboration, a number of entities, affiliates and centers have been established in various counties globally. And the application to register Cochrane Kenya was pioneered by a small group of scientists with the mission of advocating for evidence-informed decision-making in health. The Cochrane Kenya was officially registered in February 2021 and officially launched in June the same year during the 11th KEMRI Annual Scientific Conference in a virtual ceremony. To date, Kenya has 60 Cochrane contributors, and the timing is ripe for a Cochrane entity to be established to promote Cochrane activities in the country and beyond. Cochrane Kenya has a vision to see better health outcomes in Kenya, East Africa, and the rest of Africa through improved decision-making in health, informed by high-quality, relevant, accessible, and up-to-date synthesized research evidence. Our mission is to promote evidence-informed healthcare decision-making in Kenya and East African community by producing and disseminating the high-quality, relevant, and accessible synthesized research evidence. Our strategy, we aim to put Cochrane evidence at the heart of health decision in Kenya. We aim to be the leading advocate of evidence-informed healthcare in Kenya and East African region through generating and synthesizing of evidence-informed research, advocating evidence for use in decision-making, making our evidence accessible, and training and capacity building in evidence-informed healthcare. KEMRI is bound to benefit from the presence of Cochrane Kenya, noting that the Cochrane Kenya strategy responds to the current KEMRI Strategic Plan 2018-2023 under the theme to strengthen research translation and knowledge management. And this strategy is achieved through activities such as translating research findings into policies and guidelines, and capacity building on knowledge management and knowledge translation. Cochrane Kenya is envisaged to provide a forum for evidence synthesis to support policy dialogue, engagement, capacity building for evidence synthesis, knowledge translation, information retrieval, evidence-informed policy making, guideline methodology, and communication and dissemination of various Cochrane reviews. Cochrane Kenya endeavors to partner with county and national government, the health ministries, private sector, to be more impactful in advocating evidence use in decision-making processes. And by hosting Cochrane affiliate within Kenya Medical Research Institute, the Knowledge Management Department has strengthened its rapid review mechanisms for research evidence synthesis. This allows the department to respond to specific urgent health concerns of key priorities to both the country and the national governments. In the spirit of Cochrane and KEMRI ideals, we believe in trusted evidence, informed decisions in search of better health.